Morning students. Already I have explained in the previous video that how to get the inverse of the given matrix. Okay, and it's very important topic because generally 4 marks or 6 mark question comes from this topic. So I am giving you two good questions which generally board repeats. Okay, the generally means chances are there the question comes of this kind. Okay, so these are two good questions which I am going to explain. So you need to see carefully how we are going to solve it. So first is that if A is given, 3 cross 3 square matrix is given, then find A inverse and hence solve the following system of equation. It has two big parts to solve. First I need to get the A inverse. For A inverse I told you the formula, that is A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant A, provided determinant A should not be equal to 0. So first I need to find out determinant A. All you know how to find out determinant A, that is yours. Row 1 I am expanding, this is 3, then it is this minus 3 to 6, you know that will come minus 2 element, then you eliminate the same row and column. 4 3 ja minus 12, minus 7 2 ja 14, then what it is your plus 1, you know the sign scheme, plus minus plus 1, you eliminate this side, 4 3 ja 12, minus and minus plus 7, got or not this one? Okay, so what it will be your 3 and here minus 3 minus 9, and it will be what your 26 minus and minus plus 26 2 ja 52. Okay, so it is yours, and here it comes what 19. So you will see this one, what it is coming, minus 9 10 62. So determinant A is your 62, correct? Okay, so now I need to find out adjoint A. Adjoint A, you know what that yours, you are going to cofactors matrix. Okay, and its transpose. Its transpose means directly I can say adjoint A is a matrix of what, A11, A12 I am not writing directly, transpose I am writing A12, A13, then what is yours, A21, A22, A23. So third is what your A31, A32, A33. Directly I have written the transpose, row into column directly I have done. So this is your adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. So I need to find out cofactors. So you know A11. If I eliminate this one, and it will be what, which sign, because 1 plus 1 it is even. So plus sign will come, eliminating this one. So it will be 3 minus 6. So 3 minus 6 equal minus 3. Then I will say A12, what is your, which is negative sign. So A12 already negative sign. Why? Because some of these indices is odd one. Eliminate then, and it will be minus 12. Okay, and minus 14. So it is your minus 14. Okay, A12, if you are going to do this one, what it is your minus 12 and minus 14, correct? Okay, so now what is your A13, eliminating this one, 4 3 ja 12, minus plus 7. Okay, this is yours. So you can write here what it will be coming your 26, positive 26, and what it is your 19. Got this one, A11, A12, A13, and now it will be what yours, A21, A22, A23. So it is what your A21, A23 means 21 you are going to eliminate. Okay, this is, and it will be coming what, minus 6, and it is odd. So what you are going to do, A21 eliminate, minus 6 minus 3. So minus 6 minus 3, which is equal to what your minus 9 and minus positive 9. A22 eliminate this one, this and this, and you are multiplying this, 3 minus 9, and what is your minus 7. So it is what yours, nothing but minus 16. Okay, and you know this is some even it is, it's odd, negative sign, 2 3, eliminate this one, 3 3 ja 9, minus 14, 9 minus 14. So what it is yours actually, minus 5, positive 5. Similarly I am going to solve what yours, A31. Okay, A31 I am not writing here, I am writing here, A31. Okay, A31 will be what your, this here, eliminate this one, 2 2 ja 4, and minus, you can say 3 1, it's positive, so 4 3 1, 4 minus of plus 1, it's equal to 5. A32, A32 will be this one, you are going to eliminate this one, 3 2, so 3 2 ja 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, it is minus 2. And A33, it is what your A33, you eliminate this one, minus 3 and minus 6, no, minus 4 2 ja 8. Okay, so it will be what your minus 11. got this one. So I can say mine adjoint A, I can write here adjoint A will be what here, A11 A2, so minus 3 26 19, and what it is your 9 minus 16 5, then what is your 5 minus 2 minus 11, that is yours this. Okay, and so yours A inverse will be what yours, adjoint A determinant A. So it will be 1 by 62 because determinant A I got 62, and you are going to, this is minus 3 9 5 26 minus 16 minus 2 19 5 minus 11, that is yours this. Okay, now see, this is the first part was A is given, find A inverse, and hence solve the system of equation. See, very good this one. How you are going to, I already told you, you can divide into matrices. How you will say, first matrix will be of coefficients, so 3 4 7 2 minus 1 3 1 2 minus 3, this is coefficient. Then comes xyz, I will writing here xyz, and what it will be, third matrix will be 14 4 0. Okay, so now you will say this one 3 4 7 3 4 7 here. Okay, 2 minus 1 3, here row, here column wise, 2 minus 1 3, here 1 2 minus 3, it's row but it is given as column. So this is actually transpose of A. This matrix is transpose of the given matrix. So I will be writing A dash, and this suppose X, and here it is B. So what will be mine, X? I already told you in the previous video, this will be A dash inverse B. Now one property is also there. See, listen, that is property is transpose inverse is equal to inverse transpose. This is the property what I used here, because A dash transpose of A's inverse is equal to A inverse transpose B. So now I can get X. X will be what here? A inverse transpose. A inverse already with me here. So I am going to transpose. So I will be taking 1 by 62, and transpose means row into column. So minus 3 9 5. Then what is your 26 minus 16 minus 2, and that is your 19. What is 5 minus 11? That is into B. B is your what? 14 4 0, that is okay, 14. So you are going to multiply it here. So I am drawing this one. So what will be your X? 1 by 62, and you know how to multiply row with column. So minus 3 into 14 plus 4 into 26 plus 0 into 19. Okay, then again you multiply here, 9 into 14 minus 16 into 4 plus 5 into 0. Okay, third will be 14 into 5, and what is your minus 2 into 4 plus 0 into minus 11. So I am going to do this one. So 1 by 62 will be what your 4 0 12, and 1 what is your minus 42. Minus 42 plus 24, and 2 4 2 8. This is your, okay, and 0. Okay, that is now if you are multiplying here, 3 9 12 126. Okay, minus 64. Okay, and here it is 14 5 70 minus 8. Okay, so what actually it is coming here, 1 by 62, and what if you are solving it, 42 means your 62 it will be coming, positive 62 it is coming. Here if you are subtracting it, 126 minus 64, 126 minus 64 means 60, 40 it is, and here what is your 62 again, here 62. Okay, 70 minus also 62, correct or not? So this is all it is coming, what actually it is coming, 1 1 1. Okay, so here X is what your X Y Z, X Y Z, it is what yours, X is equal to, by comparing, X equal 1, Y equal 1, and Z equal 1. So it is, you can satisfy your answer in the equation if you are putting X equal 1 3, Y equal 1, that is 4, and Z equal 1 also 7. 7 and 4 11, 11 plus 3 14, which is satisfying, means your answer is correct. So I hope you must have understood. This comes how much, 6 mark question, and this is a bit easy, but calculation should be correct, the procedure should be correct. Very first, what that A I got with the formula A inverse, then I solved equation, this given system of equation. Then what we did, one property was there, we matched with this one, what I got, that it is actually the transpose. So transpose inverse is equal to inverse transpose. So I calculated inverse and transpose I have taken here. This is very important property. So this is one more question similarly I am going to explain, that is also very important, kind of just see that. Okay, determine the product and use it to solve the system of equation. Determine the product. Okay, so I am going to determine the product, means I need to minus 4 minus 7 1 3 5 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, and what it is, your 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 2 1 3. Okay, determine the product means I need to multiply. So what I will be seeing here, just see how that is your 3 cross 3, that is row with column. So you are going to minus 4, then plus 4, then what is plus 8, you know all this one, first element, then again row with column. So what that your 4, then minus 8, then what is yours, 4 1 ja plus 4. Okay, then you are going to multiply with this one. So it is minus 4, that is minus 8, and this is plus 2, that is okay. Now again this with this one, minus 7 into 1 minus 7, 1 into 1 plus 1, and 3 2 ja 6, that is your 6. Then I am going to multiply here, minus 7 minus 1 7, that 1 minus 2, what it is, your minus 2 plus 3. Okay, second line. This again here, minus 7 into 1 minus 7, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, and what is your 3 3 ja 9. Okay, that is. Now this with the column 5, that is okay, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 and minus 2, correct. Okay, then I am going to multiply with the second one, row 3 with the second, 5 minus 5 and plus 6 and minus 1. Then I am going to multiply here 5, then what is your plus 6, and here what that your minus 3. Okay, so I am going to solve it. So it is coming here 0, not 0, actually 8, minus 4 plus 4 0 and 8. Okay, then here what it is coming, 8 minus 8 0, and here 12 minus 12 0. Then what it is, your minus 7 plus 7 0, what it is, your 10 minus 2 8, here minus 9 plus 9 0, that is okay. 5 minus 5 0, minus 6 plus 6 0, and what it is coming, 5 plus 3 8. What interesting thing you are getting, when it is said determine the product and solve the system in something related here. So I will be taking this as a matrix. So 8 will be throughout common, and inside will be what, your inside will be identity matrix, 0 1 0 0 0 1. Very interesting. So what it is, actually you got 8i. You got what, 8i. Product of this you got 8i. Now using this you need to solve system of linear equation. System of linear equation, if you are going to crack it, how that it will come, x minus y plus z equal 4. Second equation is your x minus 2y minus 2z equal 9, and 2x plus y plus 3z equal 1. If I am going to break, as I told you how we can matrix form, I can say coefficient 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, then 1 minus 2 minus 2, then 2 1 3, and x y z I will be writing x y z is equal to what, here 4 9 1. This is okay. Now match this one. This matrix is given here, 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2 1 3 is the same matrix. So if I will be writing ax equal b, so x equal a inverse b, and already this is a here given a. So I will be writing what I got, actually this a, suppose this is any other matrix b, I am getting equal to 8i. Okay, so if I say a b by 8 is equal to I am dividing. So actually what I am saying, a inverse equal I. My property is this. So a inverse is what? A inverse is your b matrix by 8. B matrix by a, b is what, your this one. So directly I got inverse. So what is my x now? My x is what, yours, b matrix this one, and 1 by 8, 1 by 8, and b matrix. B matrix is this one, minus 4 4 4 minus 7 1 3 5 minus 3 minus 1 with what, 4 9 1. And you are going to now directly get what it is, your, as you multiply here this one, minus 4 4 ja minus 16 plus 36 plus 4. Second element is what, 28 plus 9 plus 3 Third element is what? 20 minus 27 minus 1. So what I am getting actually XYZ. This is your XYZ. Okay, X matrix, and it is what? 1 by 8. And you are going to what that yours? It is minus 16 means what here? 20, 24. And here what it is your minus 9 means 19 minus 19 minus 16. It is your, okay, that is now it is what your 20 minus 4 and no, this is 27. Okay, so what is your minus 8. Okay, so you are going to divide by 8 every element because it's a matrix. 8 3 ja minus 2 and minus 1. So you got what? X equal 3, Y equal minus 2 and Z equal minus 1. So you can put here 3 and what is your plus 2, okay, 5 and minus 1, 4. That is satisfying. So your answer. One more time again I am saying, if it is given, determine the product. It will come identity matrix, it may come, or sometimes it come multiple of this one. And you will get the same one of the matrix in your linear equation. That is so, means what? This inverse is existing in this product. So whatever the other matrix, okay, I have said this one 8 times I. So I can write A B by 8 equal I. So this B by 8 actually the inverse of the given. And B matrix which one? The another matrix. Divide by 8. So your A inverse is what? B by 8. So what is your A inverse? I can mention again here what A inverse you got equal to. B matrix was this one. So what that your minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. This was your 1 by 8. This was your what? A inverse. Got or not? This is very good. Then as I solve your linear equation, I got it. Both the questions are very important for the purpose of board exams. You need to practice these kind of questions. Thank you, students.